In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a planner in Canva. We'll go through the full process from opening Canva to downloading your finished planner, and I'll explain each part in a simple, practical way so you can follow along and make something that looks organized and useful. To get started, open Canva and click on Create a Design. This is where every project begins, and it gives you access to Canva's templates and custom sizing options. Once you're in, use the search bar to look for Planner. Canva will show you a variety of planner layouts, from daily and weekly formats to more decorative or minimalist styles. You can choose a template if you want a faster starting point, or start from scratch if you prefer complete control over the design. Templates are especially helpful if you want inspiration or a polished layout right away. Once you've selected your starting point, begin adding the main sections of your planner. A good planner usually includes space for goals, your schedule, tasks, and notes. These sections help turn a blank page into something functional. For example, your goals section can be used for priorities or intentions. Your schedule can help map out time. Your tasks section keeps track of to-dos, and the notes area gives you space for reminders or extra thoughts. As you place these sections, try to think about how you want the page to flow and how much writing space you'll need in each area. After that, customize the layout so it fits your style and the way you plan. You can adjust the fonts, change the colors, move things around, and add elements like lines, boxes, icons, or shapes. This is the stage where your planner becomes more personal. Try to keep it visually clean so it stays easy to use. If you're designing something for everyday planning, readability is more important than decoration, so make sure the text is clear and the sections are easy to distinguish. If you need your planner to cover more than one day or week, simply duplicate the page. This saves time and helps keep your design consistent across multiple pages. You can then make small edits to each page if needed, while keeping the overall look the same. When everything looks the way you want, click Download to save your planner. From there, you can keep it as a digital file or print it out for physical use. And that's it. You've created your own planner in Canva from start to finish.